Lorex has created wired security systems for many years, but they also have a high-quality line of wireless security cameras. The LW3211 is a black polycarbonate 720p HD camera. It can be mounted horizontally or vertically and can be installed indoors or outdoors. The base of the camera has a foam backing to help keep the weather away from the cabling if the camera is mounted outside. The cable notch accommodates the cable where surface mounting is done. The 3211 is fully weatherproof and is IP66 rated and can operate in cold and hot temperatures. The camera itself is an HD sensor offering 720p resolution. The 4711 is equipped with 18 infrared LEDs, which allows the camera to provide up to 135 feet of night vision and a large field of view 78 degrees. This is ideal for wide open areas like a backyard or driveway front yard. The LW3211 offers high-quality imaging in a wireless package. Only one wire is used to supply power to the camera. The camera can deliver a steady and reliable connection with the matching receiver using Signal Guard technology. This technology ensures that the secure real-time video signal is protected at all times. Signal Guard also automatically reconnects if the signal strength ever drops too low. The camera can transmit a high-resolution video signal in real time at 25 frames per second. This frame rate helps to provide smooth on-screen movement. Lorex wireless technology allows you to use up to 4 cameras at the same time without having to worry about signal interference. Lorex also uses FHSS technology, which greatly reduces conflicts with competing signals. The 3211 kit includes 2 power supplies, one for the camera and one for the receiver. The included Allen key allows the user to adjust the angle that the camera points. 2 high-gain antennas are included in the package, one for the camera transmitter and the other for the DVR receiver. Also included is the wireless receiver, which is integral to the wireless system. The wireless receiver captures the signal sent from the camera and sends it down the coax connector and cable into the DVR signal inputs. A mounting kit is included with screws and anchors to attach the receiver to a wall. Double-sided adhesive pads are also included, which allow you to attach the receiver to a wall or other surface where screws would not be appropriate. Quick start guides in various languages are also included, offering mounting and adjustment instructions. A 24-hour window sticker is also part of the kit. The Lorex LW3211 offers high-quality video images with ease of installation to provide you with features for all your security needs.